How to change country on the Shein app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your country in the Shein app. So make sure to watch until the end of the video so you don't miss anything on this. And now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, start by opening the Shein app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in the profile page, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen and you will be prompted to the settings. Now from here you can simply scroll down and tap on the option label location. And now a list of available countries will appear. You can simply scroll through and select the country you would like to switch to. And once selected, your country settings will be updated automatically. And that's it. That's how you can successfully change your country on the Shein app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.